Well, what I'm going to do here is show you how to use your graphing calculator and another type of scientific calculator to enter exponential notation or scientific notation and use it in solving problems. I'm going to do this by example. I'm going to do the problem 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd multiplied times 10. So let's start out here with a clear screen by just entering the mantissa. I enter this like it's a normal number, 6.022. But then instead of hitting times or 10 or raised to the or anything like that, I'll just go up to my second function and then I'll hit my comma button. You can see what that puts up on the screen here is an E. That E stands for times 10 to the. I don't have to push times or 10 or anything like that. What comes after the E should be my exponent. In this case, that would be 23. Now, I was going to multiply that by 10. I can just do that because the calculator recognizes this as just a single number. So I'll hit times 10, and then I hit enter. You notice when the answer comes back, it is also in scientific notation. 6.022 times 10 to the 24.
Here's another type of scientific calculator. If you don't have a graphing calculator, your keyboard and screen may look a little bit like this one. I'll turn it on. I'm going to do the same problem to illustrate how this is done. Again, the problem is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd times 10. Again, I start out by keying in my mantissa as if it were just an ordinary number, 6.022. Now, I don't have to do a second function with the keyboard like this because it's got this EXP key. The EXP key, or sometimes it's an EE key, is just a single function that I press. Now, it puts two zeros up here, and they're superscripted a little bit. It looks like it's raising 6.022 to some digits, but it isn't. That really means times 10 to the whatever I key in there, which will be my exponent of 23. Now that that's in there, again, this calculator represents that as a single number. I just do my multiplication, times 10, and then I hit equals. There's my answer, 6.022 times 10 to the 24th. Again, the answer is too big to fit on the screen, so it returns it in scientific notation.